Welcome to a new episode ng URC Flour Presents Masa Serya with Chef I. I am Chef Aileen Asilom, also known as Chef I. At ako ang sandigan ng masa pagdating sa pagmamasa. Samahan niyo po akong alamin at aralin ang amazing wonders of baking with URC Flour. Kinsa sa inyo ang ganahan ug makapuno? Nako, para sa inyo po ang episode natin today dahil we will be baking ube makapuno cheesecake. But this time, on a cake. Sikat at patok sa mga Pilipino ang flavors na ito. Kaya I am sure na magugustuhan niyo po ito. Kailangan natin ang mga sumusunod na ingredients to make ube makapuno cheesecake on a cake. Preheat the oven at 180 degrees Celsius or 350 degrees Fahrenheit. In a mixing bowl, combine URC Daisy cake flour, baking powder, salt, grated ube, oil, egg yolks, and ube flavoring. Mix well until incorporated. In a mixing bowl, put the egg whites and cream of tartar and beat at high speed until soft and peaked, and add the sugar. Continue beating until stiff peaks form. Fold half of the meringue to the ube cake batter, then add the other half. Mix well until incorporated. Pour the mixture into the prepared baking pan. Bake for 20 to 30 minutes until light brown on top. For the cheesecake batter, preheat the oven to 150 degrees Celsius with bain-marie. Put the cream cheese and mix on low speed until smooth and no lumps. Add the cream and mix well. Add the eggs and sugar. Then mix for 40 seconds. Add in pinipig and makapuno, followed by URC Daisy cake flour. Mix for another 40 seconds. We are using URC Daisy cake flour sa atong cheesecake batter aron malikayan ang mga cracks during baking, and this will also help thicken and give it a more consistent texture. Pour the mixture into the ube cake and bake for 1 hour and 30 minutes until the color of the top is light brown. Rest for 2 hours. Put a small amount of whipping cream and spread. Put makapuno at the center top of the cheesecake and pipe the top edges of the cheesecake with whipped cream. Kini ang atong ube makapuno cheesecake on a cake. Kung nangita ka og cake recipe nga lahi og talagsaon ug lamian, sulayi ang atong ube makapuno cheesecake on a cake. Labi na sa mga family events or home businesses. Sigurado nga makapahinam-hinam ka sa kalami ni ini. Maraming salamat sa pagsama sa akin ngayong araw. Abangan nyo ang iba pa nating mga baking recipes dito lang yan sa ating URC Flour Presents Masa Serya with Chef I. Magkita-kita tayo muli sa susunod na episode. Abangan nyo rin po ang ating para sa masa tips ni Chef I sa URC Flour, FB Reels at YouTube Shorts para sa aking ibabahaging baking tips and information sa inyo. Muli, ako po si Chef I, ang sandigan ng masa. Hangtod sa sunod natong Masa Serya episode!